Hi, my name's Camille, and I'm from Texas, and you're about to watch the amazing FunForLouis. Enjoy. Boom.
Good morning, guys. We're just about to leave the hotel, and we're heading to go ziplining in the jungle, which I'm super excited about. This is going to be awesome. Are you ready for our adventures today, Hill?
I am.
We've arrived in the rainforest at a place called Sky Safari, where we're going to be doing the zip line through the treetops. This is cool, guys. This is cool. Right, we're doing a little test run on this little baby zip line first.
How you fly is up to you. If you want to hold on to the bar for dear life, it's up to you. If you want to hold the strap,
How's that, Hill?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah?
It's gonna be great.
Yeah, this is fun, isn't it?
I'm ready for the big one.
Yeah. I think the big one's like right up in the trees.
I feel like this drive is part of the ride. It's like, if you can survive this next drive up,
Yeah.
then you're allowed to.
Then you're part of the
Then you, yeah.
So we've been driven up to the top zip line, and then I guess we're going to kind of make our way down. Right, let's do this. That was awesome.
everybody give yourself a big round of applause.
Time for the next one.
Behind you.
That was so awesome. Alright, Hillary's coming down.
Good job.
Yeah! High five! High five! How was that, Hill?
Yeah, it was wicked. Really good.
You got some speed up, that looks
I
amazing.
just thought I'm gonna let go.
So we have to hike through the jungle. We're carrying these harnesses which hook onto the zip line. This is the fourth one I think we've done. Alright, we're finished. That was amazing. Boom. Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
You come back, okay?
Thank you.
There is something incredibly freeing about flying through the treetops. Such a thrill. Oh, I love that. That's really, really cool. It wasn't scary at all. It was just an amazing experience. We are back in the van and we're heading to Brimstone Hill Fortress, which we were just told is over 700 feet above sea level, and it took over 100 years to build, and it was built by slaves. Wow. That's awesome. This is so epic. Look at these cannons. You're not getting past those cannons. Do you think you could shoot pirate ships with these cannons from here? No one is conquering this castle. Check how many cannons they've got all the way along this wall and all the way along this wall. I've got to say, this is a pretty awesome fortress. I would have felt quite safe here, I think. I'm loving this weather. It's nice to be sheltered from the wind as well. We somehow picked like the windiest weekend. But no, this is great. I'm actually a little bit hot in this shirt. Wow. This is like a whole ruined section of it.
It was since the 60s.
What, since the 60s? Renovating. What's in here? Crazy. Right, this kid's showing me the way out. Oh, good. Nice to meet you. Bye. Right, we've just stopped off and having a little tour around an organic farm. Just eating these leaves. Quite tasty.
This here is a thing what my mother used to give us when we were small. You can take a smell of it. That's it, warm bush. It helps take parasite out of your body. Yeah.
Who's this guy?
Hyena.
Hyena.
It looks like that.
Hey man. Right, we can eat these flowers. So this is a pineapple, just a really, really baby one, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, look at this tiny apple. Oh, got a big seed in the middle.
You have a seed in the middle, so just don't eat the seed.
Okay.
It's too late.
A fresh ginger juice. What's in it?
Moringa, glass.
How's it taste, Hal?
Refreshing.
Guys, if any of you come to St. Kitts, you've got to check this place out. I'll link it below, I'll link their Facebook page, but this guy Judah and his family are doing inspiring stuff, making all their own organic food and juices and stuff, and yeah, we learned a lot. We learned a lot about how to grow good food. Yeah, check it out if you come here. Alright, I'm just taking my dressing off. We're going to change the dressing. Oh, it's looking alright. It's not looking too bad. I'm going to be swimming in the sea tomorrow, so I'm hoping maybe I can get a spare.
Yeah, I'll send you some stuff, man.
Cool.
Yeah.
Right, I've got my new dressing on. It's looking alright. We're out to dinner. You looking forward to dinner, Hillary?
Yeah, can't wait.
Basically, we're going to some like fancy place the other side of the island. It's like half an hour's drive away. Don't know what to expect. I just know it's fancy. I don't know if I'm dressed fancy enough, but I just don't have any fancy clothes with me. We are here and we're travelling down to Cockleshell Bay, which is where the restaurant is, right in the south of the island. Right, starters have arrived. I got Thai chicken salad. That's pretty tasty. Hillary got crab cakes. Thank you. Mains has arrived. Sausage pasta. Hillary got catch of the day. What's it called? Wahoo.
How do you say this fish? Wahoo. Wahoo.
Wahoo.
Let's give it a go.
I had to get a cheeky little cheesecake for dessert. This is passion fruit and mango cheesecake. So this restaurant is right on the beach, so we're just having a little wander, having a look at where we are. This is incredible. Well, me and Hillary had some quality time tonight. It's so good getting away and being able to catch up together. Like I said, we don't often get to do this. I'm going to head to bed in a minute, and tomorrow we're going out on a boat ride to the island Nevis, which is like the sister island to St Kitts, and we're going to, I guess, go and check it out. Maybe spend some time on the beach. It's going to be a fun day. Maybe snorkeling. So I'm gonna head to bed, and I'll catch you early in the morning. Peace out. Enjoy life and live the adventure. Boom.